Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook business page. Facebook business page aren't the same as Facebook profiles or users. You can either use your personal Facebook account or create a new one with your work email address if you want to fully separate your personal and work lives. Log into your account of your choosing and then either click the Create a Page link. Then enter your business info. The bio section here is optional, but a good idea to fill out as soon as you can. Consider including keywords to help with your social SEO. Press the blue Create Page button when you're ready to move on to the next step. Then, pop in your contact details. This next stage of creating your Facebook business page involves entering your contact information. Pop in your URL, phone number, and email. You can enter your physical location at this stage, as well as your operating hours. Remember, any of this info can be added, changed, or removed later. Hit next when you're ready to roll. Now, add visuals and an action button. Time to add a little razzle-dazzle. Just like a regular personal Facebook profile, a Facebook page looks best with a profile photo and a cover image. Using your logo for your profile photo is a good idea for businesses. This is the image that will show up alongside all of your other Facebook activity. So, we highly recommend choosing something that visually represents your brand. Keep in mind that the Facebook profile picture is always cropped to a circle and displays. Beneath the spots where you upload your images, you'll find the Add Action button. Tap that if you'd like to add a call to action to your Facebook page. And then, connect to WhatsApp if you'd like. If you'd like to connect with customers using WhatsApp, you'll have the option to add a special WhatsApp button at this point. Just pop in your WhatsApp number and get a confirmation code to enter. Invite all your page. Obviously, once you're hard at work creating amazing, engaging Facebook content, your follower count will be blasting through the roof. But everyone needs to start somewhere. Before you officially launch your page into the world, you'll have a chance to invite your Facebook friends to connect with it. Go on and don't be shy. Then, set your notification preferences. This is all the spot to opt in or out of marketing and promotional materials and Meta products and services. And customize your Facebook business page. If you click the Edit Details button, you've got the chance to enter in some more info to help let your followers know what you're all about. You can toggle your contact information on or off and add information about your service area. You might add in a price range or details about what services you offer. Along the top, you can click on More and Manage Sections to remove what sections are publicly visible. Then adjust your privacy settings. On the left hand of the page, select Settings and then Privacy. Here, you'll be able to tweak your privacy settings to your heart's content. There are settings you can toggle on and off at any given time, but it's good to think about your comfort level before you really get going. Then link your Instagram page. To connect Facebook and Instagram, go to Settings and then Link Account. Now tap Connect Account and follow the prompts. And last, start posting. Your dreams have come true. You can post on page just like you would on your own profile. Use text and photos, share links, conduct polls, or go live if you dare. And pro tip, if you really want to extend the reach of your post beyond your existing audience, you might consider boosting your post. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.